Alright guys, just for those who like to see when I remove packages like this, open packages like this, there you go. You can hear it make that sound as I open it up right here. And always works better when the thing's in focus, huh? I just said autofocus isn't that good. Isn't that good sometimes. Open up, will ya? They also have little tabs or whatever that you could use to open this up, so don't do it like a Neanderthal. This is like the worst way to open a package. Don't try this at home, kids. I always tell you not to follow how I open stuff because it's dangerous. Anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all.
Likey.